If you're having trouble verifying your identity on Zelle, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you navigate the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that all the information you provided during the registration process is accurate. This includes your name, email address, phone number, and bank account details. Any discrepancies can lead to verification failures. Step 2. Contact your bank. Reach out to your bank or credit union to confirm that your account is eligible for Zelle. Some banks have specific requirements or restrictions that may affect your ability to use this service. Step 3. Review your device settings. Make sure that your device has the latest version of the Zelle app installed. Additionally, check your phone settings to ensure that location services and notifications are enabled, as this can impact the verification process. Step 4. Try a different verification method. If the initial verification method fails, consider trying an alternative option. Some may offer different ways to verify your identity, such as sending a code via SMS or email. Choose the method that works best for you. Step 5. Reach out to Zelle support. If you continue to experience issues, contact Zelle's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your situation and help you resolve any outstanding verification problems. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity on Zelle. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from your bank or Zelle support.